how to earn good money with apps that pay highly. This one is too good to be true. At first, I couldn't believe. I know also you can't believe. You have been used of these apps that are paying you $0.5 or $0.0. But baby girl, today I would love to share with you these apps that I'm going to share with you around 5 to 6 apps that can pay you some good amount of money. Around $400 billion have been shared by individuals annually through making tasks, making surveys, and even sharing their bandwidth using these apps that I'm bringing today. You guys, it's very true. Yes, people are earning money online. These people are like you and me. They are no different at all. The only difference they have is that they came to understand, they came to know, and they discovered these highly paying apps. Now that we are going into 2025, I would love that if you're someone out there and you want to change your lifestyle, as in terms of earning money, making money when you're sleeping, making money when you're awake, making money with your smartphone, making money with your head, you want to develop that passive income. You want to make sure that the financial freedom is now part of you in 2025. I want you to get a pen and a paper. Let's reach near and talk about these 6 high-paying apps. These 6 high-paying apps, they are free, by the way, and they are almost worldwide. I would love, as I bring them to you, I would love you to check each app. You can check, you can review it, you can look at it, and also analyze it yourself and see whether it is suitable for you. Let's talk about why these apps stand out, unlike the typical apps that I've been bringing for you, whereby they are low paying apps, of course, and even these platforms that I brought for you before, they are not as good as these ones. These apps really, they offer real opportunities to make good money, and even you can leverage according to the strength, according to the focus, and even according to the consistency that you have. They have gone extra mile for these ones that you can be paid wherever you are. There is no limitation that you're going to say, maybe I'm from Africa, I'm from Asia, I cannot get this. Most of them, they are using PayPal to get this money wherever you are at the comfort of your home. So I'm going to be taking you through how each app works. And when I'm talking about each apps, the first app I'm going to bring for you is called Evocation app. I might not know how to pronounce it, but you can see it on our screen, Evocation app. And also, if you want to know more details about it, if you're part of our family, Immaculate Show family, if you've ever subscribed and you join the membership, you're going to find the details there. Nevertheless, if you're not a member on YouTube, you can also find us to be a member on Facebook. On Facebook, it is very minimal amount of dollar fee for you to be part of our membership. So you will find also details there. And if also you don't find it, if you're not among them, but you're our person who is watching us, who subscribed, who is commenting, you are going to follow the link that I'm going to be popping through as I discuss with you. So Evocation, if you hear Evocation app, how does it work? It is very simple. You earn money by completing tasks, by making sure that you're creative, and also you do designs like logos, you write taglines, you're very good at brainstorming like business ideas. How do you do it? How do you access it? I want you to go to your app store, or you can go to your Play Store, download Evocation app. The moment you download it, you fill out the whole profile as the prompts will come. From there, if you finish setting up your profile, you're going to participate in challenges and projects that are going to be given to you by clients. How do you earn this money from here? You're going to earn cash directly, and they will be in form of rewards. If you want to withdraw your money, it is going to come directly to your PayPal account, to your PayPal. And how when will it go to your PayPal? After the approval. I know the question out there, you want to know, Christine, how much can I earn from Evocation app? You can earn $50 as minimum, and that one sounds really good. Here, what you need to know is that the potential earning is up to 50 per task, depending on complexity. Now, Yes, it is a freelance platform whereby you can get paid by doing some of the surveys, some of the writing, the freelance work in general. What you do, just head over to the browser, you make sure that you download it, you fill up everything that you're going to ask you. Don't forget to put your skills. Don't forget to make sure that your profile is on top notch. Apply for gigs that are posted by clients. Here, clients and business post a lot of things. What you do, once the job is done, you get paid, and the potential earning is from $20 to $100 per gig. So it will be up to you on your time, on your consistency, and even on your focus, and how fast do you finish a gig. Then we go to the last but not least. I love this one more than all of them. It has been one of the prominent app that most people have used. It's called Honeygain. Honeygain app, you can download it and install it also on multiple devices. It also uses your bandwidth or your data or your internet. What you do, you just go direct and run it in the background. This one monetizes you and use the internet bandwidth by securing sharing it with data scientists and companies. Go download it, let it run in the background while you can earn passive income, and even you can earn when you're sleeping. Here the potential of earning is around $20 to $50 per month, with bonuses for consistent usage. When we go to the bonus one, the bonus app, I called it the bonus because I'd wanted to give you only 6, but let me add for you the 7th one. The seventh one is called Gina 8 app. Gina 8 app, like the way you can see it on the screen. Gina 8 app lets you control and monetize your personal data by sharing it with brands you trust. Sometimes you install this browser. After installing it on your extension and app, I tried this one, but I don't know, my Android refused, and I have a lot on my iPhone, so it could not download on my Android. But try it. If it downloads, you let us know. What you do, you'll earn points on this one, and even you can do surveys. You can do a lot of things here. You redeem points, and even you can also get gift cards. What I want you to encourage you here, you can maximize your earnings. For you to maximize your earnings, you need to use multiple apps. For you to use multiple apps like these ones, which are running in the background while you sleep, you can use that one. 2, you can use also another one for referring friends. Now if I'm using that one, it means I will get also referral bonus. Then you can also do surveys. If you want to do surveys, it means you're going to stay active. You make sure you are doing and completing the surveys that they are giving you, and other tasks like designing logos and other things. Then you monitor your bandwidth. The moment you feel the bandwidth, the sharing apps, you ensure that at least you have unlimited internet. So guys, for you to do real money here, and as I told you, these are the apps that really pay high money than the other apps that I've ever given you. I call it evocation app, an app, cash stars, packet shares. These are all nice apps for you to earn good amount of money. I told you, don't look at $50, $100 and feel it is small. Suppose you are using 5 apps right now on top of other things you're doing, and these 5 apps, every app you're getting $100 per month. That is $500. $500 plus the money you're earning maybe from social media plus your salary. That is the money that will make you be financially free. So guys, before 2025, as you're watching this video, you might watch it before or immediately as you enter into 2025. Let's jump on this and let's make money. See you in another video.